Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the Nissan Frontier Forsberg edition. Nissan may have discontinued the Titan full-size pickup, but they are throwing down with a Ranger Raptor fighter. Inspired by the recent Nora 500 off-road race-winning truck, this new package will be available on all 2022 and newer Frontier pickups. Chris Forsberg and the Nissan racing team took a stock Frontier and upgraded it with bigger tires along with Nismo parts and ran and won the 500 miles across Baja. This is a dealer-installed kit and comes with beadlock capable wheels wrapped around a set of Yokohama Geolandar mud terrain tires in size 265/70/17. Along with the upgraded suspension are shocks and Forge upper control arms. This package also includes rock rail sliders, a low-profile roof rack, and integrated set of LED lights. Exterior graphics along with an interior badge at the base of the shifter. Nissan said that this package will be available starting in the third quarter of 2024, and the cost for this package is $9,999. Now, this package can be added for any 2022 or newer Frontier that is a crew cab 4-door option. Nissan is coming after the Ranger Raptor, and yes, this still isn't available, but should be by the time that the Raptor package is available. And yes, we know that the new Tacoma TRD Pro is capable along with the Colorado Bison ZR2 and the Mojave Gladiator, as these are all desert running trucks. Although the Raptor Ranger isn't a class by itself. So it'll be interesting to see how this Nissan Frontier Forsberg will compete. Overall though, I am so glad that Nissan is actually doing this. We missed out on other concepts that they have shown us, these big off-road inspired vehicles, and they have yet to bring them to production. I'm glad that they brought back the hardbody and now this Forsberg edition. Nissan is doing exactly what they need to do. They need to come out swinging to compete and stay relevant in the truck market. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment on what you think of Nissan entering with a Forsberg edition. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.